Question 1. What is the first step of the nursing process? The right answer is option A, assessment. Question 2. Which of the following is an example of subjective data? The right answer is option B. Patient states, "My head hurts a lot." Question 3. When prioritizing patient care, which framework is most commonly used by nurses to address life-threatening needs first? The right answer is option C, Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Question 4. The S in SPAR communication stands for. The right answer is option D, situation. Question 5. Which documentation method focuses only on abnormal findings or deviations from the norm? The right answer is option A, charting by exception. Question 6. The most accurate site for measuring core body temperature is. The right answer is option B, rectal. Question 7. A pulse rate greater than 100 beats per minute in an adult is termed. The right answer is option C, tachycardia. Question 8. When assessing the apical pulse, the nurse places the stethoscope at the. The right answer is option D, fifth intercostal space, left midclavicular line. Question 9. Which blood pressure reading indicates stage 1 hypertension according to current guidelines? The right answer is option A, 135/85 mmHg. Question 10. What is the fifth vital sign? The right answer is option B, pain. Question 11. What is the single most important technique to prevent the spread of infection? The right answer is option C, hand hygiene. Question 12. Which type of isolation precaution requires the use of an N95 respirator? The right answer is option D, airborne precautions. Question 13. Medical asepsis is also known as. The right answer is option A, clean technique. Question 14. In the event of a fire, the acronym RACE stands for. The right answer is option B, rescue, alarm, contain, extinguish. Question 15. To prevent falls in an elderly patient, the nurse should. The right answer is option C, keep the bed in the lowest position. Question 16. Which position is best for a patient experiencing dyspnea, difficulty breathing? The right answer is option D, high Fowler's. Question 17. The Trendelenburg position involves. The right answer is option A, head lower than the feet. Question 18. To prevent pressure ulcers, bed sores, a bedridden patient should be turned at least every. The right answer is option B, 2 hours. Question 19. Which position is used for administering an enema? The right answer is option C, SIMS, left lateral. Question 20. Passive range of motion, PROM exercises are performed to. The right answer is option D, prevent contractures and joint stiffness. Question 21. What is the angle of insertion for an intramuscular IM injection? The right answer is option A, 90 degrees. Question 22. Which site is preferred for IM injections in adults to avoid the sciatic nerve? The right answer is option B, ventrogluteal. Question 23. Administering medication sublingually means? The right answer is option C, placing it under the tongue. Question 24. The 6 rights of medication administration include all except. The right answer is option D, right doctor. Question 25. If a nurse makes a medication error, the first action is to. The right answer is option A, assess the patient. Question 26. When providing oral care to an unconscious patient, the nurse should place the patient in which position to prevent aspiration? The right answer is option B, side lying. Question 27. The most common cause of nosocomial infections, hospital-acquired infections, is? The right answer is option C, urinary catheters. Question 28. Which type of bed making is done when a patient is discharged and the bed is empty? The right answer is option D, closed bed. Question 29. When bathing a patient, the nurse washes the extremities from distal to proximal to. The right answer is option A, promote venous return. Question 30. The water temperature for a bed bath should generally be. The right answer is option B, 110 degrees, 115 degrees. Question 31. Which of the following is considered a clear liquid diet item? The right answer is option C, gelatin, jello. Question 32. The most reliable method to verify nasogastric NG tube placement at the bedside is? The right answer is option D, testing the pH of gastric aspirate. Question 33. Signs of dehydration include all of the following except. The right answer is option A, hypertension. Question 34. 1 ounce, Oz, is equal to how many milliliters, ml? The right answer is option B, 30 ml. Question 35. A patient with dysphagia is at high risk for. The right answer is option C, aspiration. Question 36. A urine output of less than 400 milliliters in 24 hours is termed. The right answer is option D, oliguria. Question 37. Dark tarry stools, melena, usually indicate. The right answer is option A, upper GI bleeding. Question 38. The purpose of a Foley catheter is to. The right answer is option B, drain the bladder continuously. Question 39. Stress incontinence is best described as. The right answer is option C, involuntary loss of urine during coughing or sneezing. Question 40. To facilitate bowel elimination, the nurse should encourage. The right answer is option D, high-fiber diet and fluids. Question 41. The early sign of hypoxia is. The right answer is option A, restlessness and confusion. Question 42. Which oxygen delivery device delivers the highest concentration of oxygen? The right answer is option B, non-rebreather mask. Question 43. A pulse oximeter measures. The right answer is option C, the oxygen saturation of hemoglobin in arterial blood. Question 44. The Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, HIPAA, primarily protects. The right answer is option D, patient confidentiality and privacy. Question 45. Informed consent is primarily the responsibility of the. The right answer is option A, surgeon, provider performing the procedure. Question 46. Which ethical principle refers to the duty to do no harm? The right answer is option B, non-maleficence. Question 47. When a nurse is communicating therapeutically, they should ask. The right answer is option C, open-ended questions. Question 48. An intradermal injection is typically used for. The right answer is option D, TB skin testing, MAN2. Question 49. The term edema refers to. The right answer is option A, accumulation of fluid in the tissues. Question 50. What is the correct order for removing PPE, personal protective equipment? The right answer is option B, gloves, goggles, face shield, gown, mask.